Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a delivery address in the Bolt food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your left corner and there you will see location name. Just press on it and here you can just enter a location in the search bar, for example a city. And you can see here appearing to you. You can just press on it and with that you just basically change the delivery address, because now that you have selected a different location, in this case a city, you can see basically the offers in that city and you can just pinpoint exactly where it should be transferred to, and from that point on you will be able to receive the order. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.